May bagong umaga, sikat ng araw. Bawat isa sa atin mayroong saysay. Sa bawat hirap, may lakas na taglay. Kalusugan natin, yan ang tunay. Huwag kang mag-isa, kami kasama sa bawat lungkot, bawat ligaya. Hawak kamay tayo, sama-sama, para sa bukas na puno ng pag-asa. Tibok ng puso, tinig ng masa. Tibok ng puso, tinig ng masa. Damhin ang kalinga, di ka mag-iisa. Tibok ng puso, tinig ng masa.
Good day everyone, I am Jonathan Motimor and I am running for President.
I am Danilo Lastomen, running for Vice President with one clear vision.
Good afternoon, esteemed citizens. I am Zyril Maylin Mamet.
Greetings citizens, I am Jordan Kapanang running for Senator.
Ako si Alexia Cardi. Tumatakbo bilang isang maaasahan at pagkakatiwalaang senador.
Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Mula sa Partidong Tibok, ako si Joshua Evangelista. Tumatakbo bilang inyong senador.
I believe that everyone, regardless of gender, identity, or expression, deserves equal respect, opportunity, and voice. As your President, I will stand for equal rights for all genders. I'll promote gender equality education, create safe spaces where everyone feels valued, and ensure fair opportunities for leadership and participation. Because leadership has no gender, only passion and purpose. Together, we'll build a school community that celebrates diversity, respect individuality, and stands united in equality. Let's lead with fairness, let's lead with love, because different genders share one voice, the voice of equality. Vote for no labels, just equality. Vote for Jonathan.
Good day, Filipinos. Our nation stands with a turning point, when discipline, unity, and care for our nations much more than just a word, but a way of life. I am Danilo Lastomen, running for Vice President with one clear vision: disciplined citizen, clean nation, and green future. Maraming salamat.
It is an honor to stand before you as a candidate with a purpose and priority. I pledge to ensure the safety of the youth for their brighter and safer future ahead of them. We are the protectors of the youth.
I am Jordan Kapanang running for Senator, promising a clean and sustainable environment where every individual takes responsibility for protecting our community. By reducing waste, conserving natural resources, and promoting eco-friendly practices, we can ensure a healthier future for generations to come. Together, let's take actions today to keep our environment clean, green, and thriving. I believe that Clean Nation completes the mission. Thank you.
Ang aking advokasya ay patungkol sa mental health awareness and support for everyday youth. Dahil most caused by silent happens every day, and it's time that we make mental health care a national priority. If I get elected as a senator, I will push for free and accessible counseling in schools and communities, because mental health care should never be a privilege. To say that, let's build a strong nation that listens, understands, and feels together. Ako po si Alexia Cardi, and I believe that a healthy mind builds a strong nation.
Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Mula sa Partidong Tibok, ako si Joshua Evangelista. Tumatakbo bilang inyong senador. Magbibigay ng pag-asa at magtatatag ng karapatang pagtao at sa lahat ng nilalang. Kasama na dito ang mga plataforma ko: Companion Animal Protection, Farm Animal Welfare, Wildlife Habitat and Welfare. Muli, Joshua Evangelista, saying that a nation that cares, protects, and always respect life.
Bayanihan spirit, yan ang lakas, pagmamahalan, walang waka-wakas. Sa tibok, ang iyong boses ay di babasag. Sa bawat tibok, may bagong pag-asa.